Hey guys, welcome to Mod 10 Automotive Bangalore. Today we have this Land Rover Discovery for a headliner change. In this vehicle the headliner is sagging, so the whole headliner is sagging. It's a very common problem in all the, this is from the back, again sagging all the way through and through. Hey guys, we have done this Land Rover Discovery's headliner, how it looks in the OEM type materials, matching the shade of the interior. Check out the finishing from the edges and on the front. This is pre-fitting. After the fitment I'll show you. It's night time. How it looks, let me know in the comments down below. And if feel free to connect if you have any query regarding your car's interior. Hey guys, done with the finishing of the headliner. Check out the finishing after the installment. We have done in OEM type material to match the interior. And from the back, let me know in the comments down below if you have any queries as such. Thank you for watching guys, and have a great day.